Wait a second.
I think we're doing this, yeah?
So I'm reading the ones you have clicked, right?
Yeah, just make sure, like, you read them kind of loud.
Okay.
Like, shout.
Alright. Ready?
Always.
Okay. What is in chocolate milk and marijuana that makes it the best hangover cure?
I don't know. I'm drinking chocolate milk right now, though.
Yo, actually, I read chocolate milk, if you're feeling, like, weak, like you're going to pass out or something, because it has a lot of sugar and protein. Oh. It's, like, a good thing for that. So, like, maybe that has something to do with the hangover cure.
Drinking, like, chocolate milk always makes me feel better.
I never really do it. I just don't think about it.
It's good.
Yeah.
I do it all the time.
I always wonder, like, how Wawa chocolate milk is always just chocolatey. How do they get it to always just be chocolatey?
Maybe other people have too much milk in their chocolate milk.
So it doesn't settle.
Yeah, but it doesn't settle to the bottom. It's just always chocolate.
Yeah.
Wow. Maybe I should be trying this. Alright.
Next. If you're accused of beating your girlfriend and there is a lot of proof, what would you say to convince the public it's a lie? And how would you get out of the charges?
Wow.
Is this Chris Brown?
Yeah.
Chris Brown, you commented on our blog?
Wow, thank you so much.
Oh my god, thank you so much. I really like Poppin'. Was that you? Poppin'. You're popping your girlfriend.
Yo.
Which is not cool.
Yo. Let's do all the song titles. It's like, yo, you're popping your girlfriend.
Yo, excuse me, mister.
Run it, run it.
Run it from the police. He's trying to convince the public it was a lie.
Mm-hmm.
Was it a lie?
I think it's all made up.
Do you?
But if this was the real... If you're really serious right now, J2 Radical can save your butt. We'll just tell them, you know what, give them another chance.
Yeah.
I mean, a lot of people watch us every day.
Right. I mean,
we'll pass the message along. Don't worry.
Yeah, don't worry. Chris Brown, just tell us and we'll spread your message of love.
Okay, you ready for the next one? Why do you park in a driveway, drive on the parkway, and pay tolls on the freeway?
Oh my god! I've never heard pay tolls on the freeway.
Me neither.
Ever.
I've only heard the first two.
Yeah.
I always wonder this.
You drive on the parkway. That is so weird to me.
Mm-hmm. And it'd be so weird if you changed it now, you know?
Yeah. But that's just what we know.
I would really be confused if I was from another country and I came here.
Mm-hmm.
And I was like trying to learn English and everyone's like, this is the driveway, this is where you park, this is the parkway, this is where you drive, this is the freeway where you pay. That's so crazy.
We should just start breaking the rules and start calling them different things.
But, yeah. It is weird, but I never call anything the freeway though. I call it the highway.
Yeah. Highway.
Exactly. I don't know. It's probably just because someone's trying to mess with our heads. And someone's trying to mess with the foreigners to keep out illegal immigrants.
I wonder who made that up. Who made those words up?
Like Webster.
Yes.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Okay. Would you rather date someone that is 3 feet tall or 8 feet tall, and why?
I guess 8 feet tall, because I'd rather give than receive.
Really?
I would definitely pick 8 feet because I can't handle a guy that's even my height. It freaks me out. Which I feel bad because I know, like, you can't help it and I'm really short, but just me personally, short guys, I don't like it. I can't, you have to be a lot taller than me. I could never, someone shorter than me, 2 feet shorter than me is, like, so short.
Yeah.
3 feet. Oh my god, that's like, yeah.
Yeah.
But 8 feet would be kind of cool because, like, you could always see at concerts, like, you can make them, like, put you on their shoulders.
Yeah.
True,
so I do all my
so
boyfriends. Sit on your shoulders. Well, I would definitely pick 8 feet tall.
Me too.
Definitely.
Okay. How do I mend my broken heart?
You can get surgery. How do you mend it? Yo, you gotta fill your time. Like, all the time that you're used to, like, spending with one person when you're not with them anymore, you have to, like, fill up that time with other things. Time fillers.
Right. Time fillers.
Like, random, just, like, talk to random people and, like...
Take up painting.
Yeah, get
Belly
a hobby.
dancing?
Belly dancing is really probably
That's
a
a great
very
one.
positive direction. Yeah, just make a new friend and, like...
Try something new.
Yeah. Something you can do, like, a lot, though. Like, yeah, like knitting.
I always say I want to try something new every day, but I always forget that I want to do that.
I forgot you wanted to do that this week.
I said that last week, too.
Yeah, mending a broken heart is hard, but, I mean, it goes away. So you just gotta get over it. Build your bridge. Get over.
How deep is your love, and why can't I teleport?
I've always wanted to teleport. I always say, can I teleport?
These are two, like, very different questions. How deep is your love? My love is very deep.
Ooh.
Right?
So deep.
So deep. Is that a song? How deep is your...
It's like,
Yeah.
get out of my heart and into my car.
How deep is your love?
Why can't I teleport?
It reminds me of Always Sunny when they're like trying to figure something out and they start singing Dee-bo-bo. You gotta see that one. It would be nice to teleport.
Yeah, to anywhere.
But why can't you? Why is that impossible?
I don't know. Hopefully, one day someone will figure it out.
I mean, like, yeah, if they figured out airplanes, like, a long time ago, I think they should be able to figure out
how to teleport people. How would we teleport? What would we teleport in? I picture myself on, like, a little spaceship cocoon, like the bullet on, like, the Mario Kart.
Yes.
For Wii, I love it. Like, the...
That'd be a really good thing to teleport in. I would probably teleport in, like, just a bubble. Like a very bouncy bubble. Like, bounce along to the next place.
Sounds nice.
Yeah, definitely. But you can't teleport because it hasn't been invented yet.
Yeah,
So,
Soon.
yeah. Either go invent it yourself or just chill out and wait because
It's coming.
it's going to be a while. But, I mean, I'm sure they can really do anything these days. Right?
Yes.
Do you have anything else today?
One more. If you try to fail and succeed, which have you done?
I think you've succeeded.
You have.
If you try to fail and succeed.
You succeed because you're trying to fail and you succeed, which means that you failed, but you succeeded at failing.
Which means you did what you wanted.
Mm.
So you succeeded. Congratulations.
You won a big prize!
You win a trip to teleport to the J Radical Studios.
Woo! Tonight!
And enjoy some chocolate milk! Woo! Give us your number. We'll tell you when to meet us.